Okay, alien princess. That's what she's giving. Okay, Planet Her, Doja Cat. That's the vibes. All right. Make sure you guys stay tuned to see how I got that look. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So welcome back to the channel. Hey, I'm just giving a fair warning, baby. I'm talking through the whole video, okay? I'm talking, giving y'all the rundown, all right? So everything I'm using will be listed down below if you're curious. This is one of my acid rain bases I decided to use on my brows today. I added powder beforehand just to get rid of the oils. Y'all know the vibes. I'm just drawing in the shape I want, and I did use my spoolie to like really blend in the front of my brow, but I go back to my brows at the end of the video. You'll see what I did. But I'm using the Michaela Makeup by Glamlight palette and a mixture of the purples from my Colors for Days palette. And yeah, I just put that over my brows to like set that base. And now I'm using, I was like nervous. I don't know why. When I seen this color, I'm like, oh my God. But yeah, this is one of the lavender bases from P. Louise, and I mixed it with white to get this like perfect lavender shade that I'm using as like a concealer shade, quote unquote. And yeah, I'm just using that to like really carve my brows. And I was just like, oh my God, like I'm really about to be purple. Let me tell y'all why I decided to just do this. This look is like old. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know like, girl, you been did this look. It was because my wig was getting old, like the lace was like starting to lift and stuff, and I'm like, I gotta take this off, but I didn't want to take it off. Like the wig just is too fire. Like I literally would have wore this wig every day of my life. I got so many compliments on it. Like I just loved it. Honestly, I don't even care about all that. Like it was fire, baby. Like the wig was fire. So I just wanted to like color the scalp in. Like I wanted to color that boy purple like I did. And I'm actually scared because I haven't washed it yet, because I'm not gonna use it. And I'm just scared because I mean that boy is purple for real. Anyway, let me get back to the video. So yes, I just used that base all over my eyes, and now I went in with my Color for Days palette, and y'all see me blending. Y'all see the blending process. Okay, I did this blue into like green, because I thought it would be a nice contrast with my hair with the purple. You know, blue and purple just is such a vibe. All right. And then I'm using my acid rain base. This is in the shade Blank Canvas. If you don't have this, go get it, y'all. I'm not even sponsored. I'm not none of that, baby. Like it's just a must in my opinion. You gotta get this base. Like it's fire. So yeah, I use that on my cut crease. You already know. And I'm using all those different purples from the Michaela Make. She clearly loves purples. Like I don't even have to know her videos to know that she loves it. How many purples she had in that palette, okay? So yeah, I love the shimmers in this. I like love them, okay? I use 3 different purples. And then I'm using my water activated eyeliner from BeatsByDeb Cosmetics. Y'all know. I just add a drop of water, and this is the shade Pinky Promise from that 12-piece set that I just showed. And I'm just using a detailed eyeliner brush also for me. To draw, and this was me going back and forth, like going thinner and I mean thicker and thicker and thicker until it finally matched the eyeliners. But yeah, my camera, this is so chaotic, but literally my camera had cut off in the middle of me filming this. Like I was so mad. So you didn't get the first little satisfying dab of me putting this purple on. But yeah, I just started coloring my whole face in, and I mixed the acid rain base, like 2 different colors. Actually, I mixed the Blank Canvas color, which is that like creamy white color, with that deep purple I put on my brows, and then a pink shade to get this lavender. I'm not really sure about color theory like that, but somehow I figured it out. So thank you, Jesus, for that. Okay, he blessed me. Okay, I'm just putting this all in my scalp. Y'all see it. I know y'all cringing me putting this in my ears. Look at my lace looking crazy, right? It don't matter because you're not going to see it much. When the videos come, sis, don't get too mad at it. Look, it was old. It was coming off. It's fine. You know, so these were the colors I had used to mix my concealer before. I'm just showing y'all. It was their it was the P. Louise like shade 0, which is like white, literally white, and then their lavender base to get that like really light lavender. And yeah, I'm just doing this as concealer. I don't know what I did with this nose contour this time, but I was like, what the heck? I like could not remember how to contour my nose for nothing, bro. Like, I don't know why. But honestly, it went with the look. It gave me alien. It did, because I was like, whose nose is this? Like, what am I really doing right now? But yeah, y'all just be low-key just vibe. Like, I be watching anime most of the time. You'll see my eyes like dart off towards to the left. That's me like looking at my iPad. Like, I just be watching TV, chilling, like literally. So I was watching anime. I think I was watching, what was I watching? Code Geass, maybe Code. I might have been watching Squid Game, low key. I might have, but yeah. So I'm just casually putting this dark freaking nose contour. Why did I put this dark contour? And then I realized, like, and then I was like, wait, how can I fix this? So then I went back in with the concealer, but of course, like, as soon as I started blending it, it just came right back up. You'll see what I'm talking about in a second. Literally, I forgot how to contour my... See, I'm like, wait, what? So I like, okay, let me put this concealer back over this so I can like try to save this. And then I go back in to try to blend it. And that boy is through. So I'm like, oh, well, let's run with it. Anyway, I just started contouring again with that deepest shade, that acid rain base shade. And this will all look very cohesive and very pretty. Like, I never thought I could like blend contour and like highlight. And it looked literally like skin. Like, this is the way to go. Literally, like, use bases and stuff like this for your base if you're gonna, like, you know, try to be a different color. I'm just using my Laura Mercier translucent setup powder, and baby, there's no flashback with this powder. Like, I mean, I was purple and I literally no cast or anything on me. So yeah, love that. I'm using some more purple shades from my palette and Michaela's palette to just really snatch this face up. And I'm dusting that powder away. As you can see, like, the makeup really not perfect. I feel like I could have done better, but it wasn't really patchy. Like, the base was solid. I will say that. For the most part, it wasn't patchy, I'll say. This is my Grape Escape glitter stack from BeatsByDeb Cosmetics. I'm pretty sure it's still available. It is limited edition, so it won't be back for a while. You can go grab that before they're sold out, honey, okay? Because that glitter is popping. I did add a little bit of eyeliner at the bottom of my eyes and just did that same blend, that blue blend from the top. I added that on the bottom. And I thought I would be fancy and add some little purple lashes on top of my flare lashes. Y'all know I love my flares. Like, baby, they're in stock too. What are you doing, sis? They're in stock. Like, come on now. So yeah, I had a little purple lash action. You couldn't see it really well, but I thought it was a little pop. It was something cute, different. I'm just using eyeshadow as eyeliner because I'm like, why not? You know, I'm also using this liquid eyeshadow from Huda Beauty as like on my lips. That boy is fire. I'm like, I gotta use this in a like normal look. That pink was so pretty, Pooh. Like, oh my gosh, it was so pretty. I'm over there like, okay. And I just added more eyeshadow on top. I'm using my palette again, and that pink, oh, the lips was fire. I'm not gonna cap. I kind of wish I didn't add highlighter on top and kept it matte. Like, it was so cute. But yeah, I added some highlighter. This is my, I think, Miami Beach. I think this was my Miami Beach highlighter. It could have been my strawberry. I think it was. Maybe it might have been my strawberry icing. I don't know. Look, this is so old at this point. I don't even remember what I used, y'all. But yeah, this is what I was talking about. I'm going back in with that acid rain base, that purple one, and I'm like deepening up the brows a little bit. I made them bolder, and then I added the little lavender like hair strokes in the beginning. I think it just did everything that needed to be done to my brows. Honestly, I loved it. And then you see, okay, take the hair down, Pooh, okay? I added my highlighter. I'm like, because the wig it really gave. And I had this wig on for like 2.5 weeks. That's the longest I didn't wore a wig in so long. Look at my face. Like, I literally look like I don't belong on earth. Like, I kid you not. Look at it. Do y'all see? Come on, with the blue light in the back. Okay, I love it. I hope y'all loved it.